Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the Quiff Asian hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys are having a foong-tastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. My brother will be shaving the sides of my hair and giving me a fade. So yeah, this is the current update of my hair. You can see that the sides here, it's pretty much sticking down now, especially when I wear a cap. I was thinking of growing out my hair longer, but then the sides is getting a bit too long. So the plan today is to shave the sides while fading it, as well as the lower back over here and maybe slightly here, while keeping the top hair long. So a quick before after. I don't know if you guys can see the back of my hair. All right. So as you can see from the earlier footage, I got a haircut about 6 days ago. And like most haircuts, your hair will start to look the best about 5 to 6 days after you get a haircut. So yeah, this is it. I don't know if you guys like it, but my point here is I want to grow my top hair as long as possible. And this is the easiest way you guys can do it for Asian hair especially. So this is the short quiff hairstyle. And since I'm Asian, I'm going to call it the Asian quiff hairstyle. Is it quiff or queef? Let's hear from Google.
Quiff.
Quiff.
Quiff. Quiff.
Alright, it's quiff.
Quiff.
Quiff. Quiff hairstyle. It's actually really simple to maintain. All you have to do is shave the sides of your hair as well as the back over here, and then just grow your top hair as long as possible. And when your hair is long enough that you can slick it back, so let's say use a comb to slick it everything back. So maybe your hair is about this length on the top. That's called a Pompadour. So I'm gonna measure my hair right now to show you guys how long the top of my hair is. Over here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So as you can see, it's about 5 to 6 cm long, which means it's about roughly 2 inches. So for the short quiff hairstyle, your top hair is roughly around 2 to 4 inches. But what makes this such a great Asian hairstyle is that because Asian hair naturally sticks up like a porcupine, this means that if you want to maintain this kind of look, it's relatively easy. You basically don't even need to use any hair products whatsoever. Don't even need to use a comb. Right after you shower and dry your hair off, just do a quick like this and you're good to go. If you want to add more texture to your hair, obviously you can use some hair products or gel. But what I found at this current state is that you don't really need to use any hair products to maintain the spiky look. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with how my hair is growing out so far. And with no hair fringe on your forehead, you always have a clean and sharp look. So I definitely recommend this kind of hairstyle to anyone looking to have a simple solution to your Asian hair, especially if you're growing out your top hair. Front, left side, right side, back. So this is how my hair actually looks without any hair products or anything. Straight up just bed hair. And as you can see, because Asian hair sticks out, right now it's still sticking out. So even if I try to press it down, it does not work. But yeah, so far now my hair is growing out nicely. I'm liking the short sides. I'm gonna take a quick shower and then show you guys how it looks after. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is how my hair looks right after the shower. Just want to point out that the Asian quiff hairstyle is the best kind of hairstyle for Asian guys out there, because finally your hair sticking out is working to your advantage in this hair. So basically right here you can see my hair naturally sticks up because it's still wet. However, when it's dry, it will also stick up. No matter how much I push it down, it will always stick up, unless I wear a cap right now to kind of push it down. However, if I don't do any of that, it will just look like this. So once again, to conclude this video, the quiff hairstyle is perfect for people that want to grow their top hair while shaving the sides and back. So as you can see, my sides here are all faded. Right side. Top I did not touch, so I'm letting it grow out so I can get a tubular haircut again. If you like what you see, make sure to let me know down in the comments below and check back next time. Cut! Alright guys, so right now I just want to think of a thumbnail, and usually for my thumbnail I like to look at a distance and think of something deep or just act surprised or some expression. So
Nothing perhaps. Did you bring anything, Javen?
hello. So loud. Hello, hello.
I don't know how to use this.
Is this your dog?
It's his dog.
What's his name?
It's Obi.
Tongue is so
But
long.
he's usually just like that because there's people.
Oh my.
Wait, he doesn't want to breathe this loud, right?
Crazy.
He's just
Oh, God.